How to make crispy French fries at home. Take the potatoes and cut like this. It is better to take big potatoes, then you can make more attractive French fries. After cutting this, wash the potatoes and take a cotton cloth and dry these fries. Now time to add the ingredients. Add some salt according to your taste. In 1 kilogram potatoes you will add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. This will make it crispy. Now shake it like this. Make sure you have a coating of corn flour on it. Now put the cooking oil in the pan. Now time to fry. Put the fries in it. And fry them until they change their color like this. Fries are ready. Now time to serve them. If you like my video, then subscribe us and press the bell icon.